It was the day of the performance and Anna was warming up when suddenly a wave of fear sent a shiver down her spine. She had never performed in front of so many people before, so she wanted to take a teeny, tiny peek behind the curtain. She crept ever so quietly in her soft ballet shoes and took a quick look beyond the stage. My goodness! I did not realize how many people would be here. Anna was terrified. What if I make a mistake? What if I cannot point my toes or stay steady in my turns? But before she could dwell on it any longer,
This is your 5-minute call for places.
Anna had no time to worry. She wiped her eyes and prepared herself for the performance. It was flawless. She had grace and elegance like a swan. Her beauty did not leave a dry eye in the house, not even her own. She took her final bow to rapturous applause. She was perfect.